I'm Beth, and this is my dance partner, Ryan, and today we're going to teach you how to dance salsa in less than 15 minutes with your partner. Okay, so for our first step, we are going to do a salsa basic. So the ladies are going to go back on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't step on 4, and then forward with the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we don't step on the 8. So remember, no step on 4 and no step on 8. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go back twice and forward twice. So back, forward, back, forward. That is the follower steps. The leader is going to do the exact opposite. If you want to show Ryan. So going forward on our left, back on our right, and forward on our left, and back on our right. Grab your partner and try the first step. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. We'll show you from the side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, so after we do our first basic, we are going to the side. So our ladies, we are going to go to the side on our right, to the side on our left, to the side on our right, to the side on our left. Make sure you're having fun with it. Get your hips into it. Style it how you want. And Ryan is going to show the leader's steps, which is, of course, the opposite. And to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Very good. Grab your partner and let's go from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Something we haven't gone over, which you'll probably pick up, how we hold our partner. So it is going to be followers are on the top, leaders are on the bottom so they can have a little bit more control. So ladies, our hands will just rest in your mans and we dance as so. Now for our next step, we're going to do the same thing we did at the start, which is our basic. So we're going to go back on our right, forward on our left. But now we have a little bit of a twist because the man is going to do a turn and turn and good. So as we do that, I'm going to show you. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We keep the rhythm as he turns and then we turn. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He goes 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn on 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, the man turns first on 1 and the woman turns second on 5. We're going to show you that together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Remember to actually let go of your man so he can actually turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And connect again. Okay, so once we have done our turn, the man has turned, we have turned. We have our basic, so it's the same step we start with. So this is something we often put in between each new parts of choreography. So once again, the lady's going to go back on our right, forward on our left, and the man does opposite. And then we go into a fifth position, which is essentially we step back to the side. We'll show you that from another angle. So 2 basics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and open, 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 and back to the beginning. So as we do that, we're just stepping back to our partner, back to our partner, back to our partner. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and good. Very good. Let's go from the top. Grab your partner and let's do it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my turn. Ladies' turn, and basic. Basic and to the side. To the side, to the side, to the side, and beginning. Very good. So that is called a 5th position break, which is essentially, we go back to the side. I think we should try that all to music. If you're not up to that yet, rewind the video, go a little bit slower, perhaps go over it by yourself before grabbing your partner. That's always a good tip. Avoids the arguments, hopefully. But if you are ready, let's try it to music. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Rico, rico, rico. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. ¿Y cómo dice mi coro que sigue ahí? 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Miren, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, Thanks so much for joining us today. Hopefully you had a great time learning how to dance salsa with your partner. Remember to practice by yourself with your partner. Just have fun with it. And if you did like it, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so we can push out other dance videos for you.